Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen pattern. So if you forgot your pattern completely and there is no chance that you remember it, then the best decision in such case would be to contact Google customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them by, for example, showing them a receipt, then they will surely let you regain access to your phone without the need of removing any data from your device. Now, if this option is unavailable for you, you can perform a factory reset operation on your device, and you can do this both locally and remotely. First, I'm gonna show you how to do this remotely. So all you have to do is use any other device that you have to find and open the Find Hub website. Then in Find Hub's website, sign into your Google account that is linked to this smartphone. Select the smartphone on your devices list, go to this device's settings and select factory reset this device. Once the factory reset operation is performed, all data will be erased from your device, but you'll be able to regain access to your smartphone, and you'll surely you can do this yourself without any help from the outside. And now the other way to perform a factory reset operation on your device is by going to recovery mode and selecting the factory reset operation in there. But if you don't know how to manage the recovery mode on this device, you can check the video on our channel that explains this process step by step, so you surely won't get any mistake and surely will perform factory reset successfully on this smartphone. So if you need that video, go ahead and check out the factory reset through recovery mode on Google Pixel 10 on our YouTube channel. Now, in case if you do remember your pattern, but you still cannot access your device because your phone just doesn't accept it, you can do the same thing in the safe mode, where no third-party applications can affect the way that your lock screen behaves. So, in order to go into the safe mode, you have to press power button and the volume up key at the same time, then hold down the power off option, select OK to reboot into safe mode, and then just wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted in the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then try using your lock screen pattern once again, and just in case you succeed, go to the list of all applications, then go to settings, then scroll down to security and privacy, go to device unlock, select screen lock, once again enter your lock screen pattern and select none, then delete, and this way you will be able to use your device freely. All you have to do is just restart it once again into the normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, if it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.